Firstly, the sheer size with diversity. China onshore CNY bond market has been growing at over 20% per annum and has reached the renminbi 110 trillion mark, equivalent to around $16 trillion. Secondly, this market offers a diverse range of Chinese government bonds, namely CGBs, and policy bank bonds, and local government bonds account for around 42% and 22% of China's onshore market respectively. The onshore corporate bond market, which is 19% of the China onshore bond market, is also growing rapidly and has tripled to renminbi $21 trillion, which is around $3 trillion, from a lower base which is around renminbi 6 trillion at the end of 2012. Yet, credit rating and liquidity are still developing. Thirdly, as index inclusion continues, investor interest and flows follow. Foreign inflows into Chinese bonds have set a new record and double its 2019 level, reaching over $180 billion in 2020. Foreign investors' ownership in Chinese government bonds increased from 4% in 2017 to around 10% in 2020. Compared with other developed markets, such as UK, Italy, and Canada, where international participation rates are around 30 to 40%. The index inclusion should continue to attract foreign investors' interest. Fourthly, Chinese government bonds offer relatively attractive yield in local currency terms. The benchmark 10-year government bond yield is back to its pre-pandemic level at around 3.2%. This is an attractive normal and real yield compared to the other major government bond markets, even though yields have been rising. Lastly, the most important supportive factor is the low correlation benefits, which should add diversification to investors' allocation. Onshore CNY bonds are lowly correlated with all the Euro and US equities and fixed income indices. We saw one of the largest sell-off in history back in March 2020, where most major asset classes suffer from extreme market volatility. Yet, China onshore bonds remain relatively stable. US investment-grade spreads widened over 300 basis points to 400 basis points. This compares to stable onshore credit spreads of 100 basis points for AAA credit onshore.